Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to save a document in Google Docs. If you've ever worried about losing your work due to unexpected power failures or computer crashes, you're not alone. That's why today we're diving into the amazing world of Google Docs saving capabilities. These features not only save time, but also ease the stress of document management by keeping your work safe and sound. Let's start with one of the most appreciated aspects of Google Docs, the automatic saving feature. This is a game changer for anyone who've ever panicked about forgetting to click the Save button. Google Docs automatically saves your document to Google Drive as you type, which means you can focus on your content without the constant worry of losing your work. It's like having an invisible assistant that ensures every change you make is captured in real time. You might notice phrases like saving or save to drive at the top of your document, which is your reassurance that Google Docs is working hard behind the scenes to secure your edits. This automatic saving feature is particularly beneficial whether you're working on everyday tasks or important professional projects. It provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus entirely on your work without the distraction of having to manually save every few minutes. This seamless integration into your workflow can make Google Docs an indispensable tool for managing documents efficiently. Now, let's explore another valuable option: saving your document directly to your device. Even though Google Docs is mainly cloud-based, there are times when you might want a local copy of your document. This might be necessary for sharing with others, editing offline, or simply having a backup on your computer or mobile device. To do this, you need to navigate to the File menu in your Google Docs interface. Once you're in the File menu, look for the option labeled Download. Clicking on this will present you with multiple choices. You can download your document in formats such as a Microsoft Word document or a PDF. Each format has its specific advantages. For instance, choosing a Word document is beneficial if you plan to collaborate with someone who uses Microsoft Word. On the other hand, a PDF is ideal when you need a format that's easy to share and retains the original layout of your document, regardless of where it's opened. After selecting your desired format, simply click on it, and the download process will begin. Once finished, your file will be stored in your device's download section, ready for you to access anytime you need. This flexibility to choose your file format and store it locally extends the ways you can manage and work with your documents, whether you're online or offline. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at saving documents in Google Docs. Whether you're leveraging the automatic saving to Google Drive or downloading files directly to your device, these methods ensure all your valuable work is secure and easily retrievable whenever you need it. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to save a document in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to save a document in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.